we'd love it if you'd sing along with any of the songs that you might know the words to.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. The next song that we're going to sing for you is a song called By Me Bist Du Shame. Of all the boys I've known, and I've known some, until I first met you I was lonesome, and then you came in sight and my heart grew light, and this old world seemed new to me.
You're really swell, I have to admit you deserve expressions that really fit you, and so I've racked my brain hoping to explain all the things that you do to me.
By me bist du shame, please let me explain. By me bist du shame means you're grand. By me bist du shame, again I'll explain. It means you're the fairest in the land. I could say Bella, Bella, even say wonderful. Each language only helps me tell you how understand.
Thank you.
If you ever go down Trinidad, they make you feel so very glad. Calypso, sing and make up rhyme. Guarantee you one real good fine time drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Cumana, both mother and daughter, working for the Yankee dollar. If a Yankee comes to Trinidad, they got the young girls all going mad. Young girls say they treat 'em nice, make Trinidad like paradise, drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Cumana, both mother and daughter, working for the Yankee dollar.
Chicky chick carry to Molnus Isle.
Native girls all dance and smile. Help soldiers celebrate his leave. Makes every day like New Year's Eve, drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Cumana, both mother and daughter, working for the Yankee dollar. In old Trinidad, I also fear the situation is mighty queer, like the Yankee girls and natives. Ooh, when she hear the bingle croon, drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Cumana, both mother and daughter, working for the Yankee dollar. Out on Manzanella Beach, GI romance with native beach. All night long make tropic love, the next day sit in hot sun and cool up, drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Cumana, both mother and daughter, working for the Yankee dollar. Rum and Coca-Cola. Rum and Coca-Cola. Working for the Yankee dollar.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to take you to some British songs now. This song was made famous by Dame Vera Lynn. Feel free to sing along. It's called We'll Meet Again.
We'll meet again. Don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Keep smiling through, just like Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Bang, 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 bang goes the farmer's gun. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Don't give the farmer his fun, fun, fun. He'll get by without his rabbit pie. So run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run. Oh, run away, run away, run away, run, rabbit, run. Oh, go away, go away, go away, go, rabbit, go. Better get started, get on your feet. Better be going full retreat. Doesn't gotta be a little white guy, or you just be rabbit pie.
Rabbit, run away. Rabbit, run away. Run, rabbit, run away, run far away.
Bang, 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 bang goes the farmer's gun. Run away, run, rabbit, run, run, run away.
Run, rabbit, run, run away. Don't give the farmer his fun today. He'll get by
It's a big surprise they're waiting for.
All the couples, they form a ring. Come bounce around, you'll hear them sing. Ding, boo, ba, doo, ding, doo, ba, doo, ding, da.
Roll it out, roll out the barrel. Dum dum da dum da 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 da. Sing a song of good cheer for the whole gang is here. Roll it up, let's do the beer barrel polka. Thank you. Sing along if you know this one. Come on along and listen to the lullaby of Broadway, the hip hooray and ballyhoo. The lullaby of Broadway, the rumble of a subway train, the rattle of a taxi, the daffodils who entertain, and Angelos and Maxie's where the Broadway baby says goodnight. It's early in the morning. Manhattan babies don't sleep tight until the dawn.
Milkman's on his way. Sleep tight, baby. Sleep tight. Let's call it a day. Listen to the lullaby of old Broadway. The band begins to go to town, and everyone goes crazy. You rock the dial, baby, around till everything gets hazy. Hush, if I'll buy you this and that. You hear it, Daddy saying, and baby goes home to her flat to sleep all day. Good night, baby. Good night. Milkman's on his way. Sleep tight, baby. Sleep tight. Let's call it a day. Listen to the lullaby of old Broadway.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. For those of you who didn't hear earlier, we are the Siren Sisters. Please look us up. And I just need to point out that my dad is wandering around. There he is. You can't miss him in his
Hi, Dad.
pink shirt. He's got some of CDs on sale. We recently recorded a new album. They are £10 if anybody would like to purchase them. And we are happy to come and sign them for you at the end and all of that kind of stuff. Thank you very much for listening. This next song is Tea for Two.
I'm discontented with homes that are rented, so I have invented wanted my own. Darling, this place is a lover's oasis, where life's weary chase is unknown. Far from the cry of the city, where flowers pretty caress the stream, cozy to hide in, to live side by side in. Don't let it abide in my dream. Picture you upon my knee, tea for two and two for tea, me for you and you for me alone. Nobody near us to see us or hear us, no friendly relations on weekend vacations. What habit known dear that we on the telephone? Dear, day will break and you'll away. Start to make a sugar cake, me to take for all the boys to see. We will raise a family, a boy just for you and a girl for me. Can't you see how happy we will be? We will raise a family, a boy just for you and a girl just for me. Can't you see how happy we, boy for you, girl for me? Can't you see how happy we would be?
Thank you.
I'll be with you in apple blossom time. I'll be with you to change your name to mine. One day in May, I'll come and say, happy the bride that the sun shines on today. What a wonderful wedding there will be. What a wonderful day for you and me. Church bells will chime, you will be mine in apple blossom time. I'll be with you in apple blossom time. Then what will you do? Then I'll be with you to change your name to mine. When will that be? One day, maybe in May. Then what will you do? I'll come and say to you, dear, happy the bride that the sun shines on today. Then what a wonderful wedding there will be one day in May. What a very, very wonderful day for you and me, dear. Church bells will chime, you will be mine in apple blossom time.
Thank you. This next number is one of our favorites. It's a Boston Oswald Sisters song. It's called I'm Gonna Sit Right Down and Write Myself a Letter.
Mailman passes by, I just wonder why he never stops to ring my front door bell. Not a single line from that old love of mine, not a word since I last heard farewell. That's the reason that I'm gonna sit right down and write myself a letter. Make believe it came from you, and gonna write words so sweet, they're gonna knock me off my feet.
A lot of kisses on the bottom, I'll be oh so glad I got 'em.
I'm gonna smile and say I hope you're feeling better. Close with love the way you used to do. I'm gonna sit right down, write myself a letter. Make believe, make believe, make believe the letter came from you. I'm gonna sit right down and write myself a letter, and make believe it came from you. I'm gonna write words so sweet, they're gonna knock me off my feet. A lot of kisses on the bottom, I'm glad that I got 'em.
I'm gonna smile and say, I hope you're feeling better. And close with love the way you do. I'm gonna sit right down, write myself a letter, and make believe it came from you, just you.
I'm gonna write I love you, honey, indeed I do. And make believe it came from you. I'm tired of waiting, 'cause I'm so blue, thinking of you all day through. I'm gonna say those sweet things that I love to hear. I live in a dream and just pretend you're near. I'm gonna sit right down, write myself a letter. I'm gonna fool myself when I make myself believe the letter came from you. Make believe it came from you.
Thank you very much.
You like my smile, you like my style, well, why don't you let me know it? You like my walk, you like my talk, well, there's only one way to show it. If you want to shake my hand, like they do it in Hollow, stick your hands right out and shout, give me some skin, my friend, step right up and take your stand. You don't have to be timid, stick your hands right out and shout, give me some skin, my friend, smack it, whack it, let your hands rotate, show it, blow it, put it in your pocket for a future date. If you want to shake my hand, like they do it in Hollow, stick your hands right out and shout, give me some skin, my friend. If you like my style, we'll show it. If you like my smile, let me know it. If you like my walk, please tell me. If you like my talk, well, skin me, Papa, skin me. If you want to shake my hand, like they do it in Hollow, baby, stick your hands right out and shout, give me some skin, my friend, step right up and take your stand. You don't have to be timid, baby,
Stick your hands right out and shout, give me some skin, my friend. Smack it,
whack it, my friend, let your hands rotate, show it, blow it, put it in your pocket for a future date.
step right
Come
up
on.
and shake my friend.
If you want to shake my hand like they do it in Harlem, stick your hands right out and shout, give me some skin. Give me some skin. Give me some skin, my friend. Oh, tico, tico, tick, oh, tico, tico, tock. This tico, tico, he's a cuckoo in my club. And when he says cuckoo, he means it's time to woo. It's tico time for all the lovers in the club. I've got a heavy date, a tater-tater-ate. So speak on tico, tell me, is it getting late? If I'm on top, cuckoo, but if I'm in woo-woo, oh, my heart is going to make no bones away. Oh, just a birdie and a birdie who goes nowhere. He knows of every lover's lane and how to go there. For in affairs of the heart, my Tico's terribly smart. He tells me gently, sentimentally at the start. Oh, I hear my little Tico, Tico calling, because the time is right and shades of night are falling. I love that not so cuckoo, cuckoo in the clock. Tico, 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 tock. I got a date at 8 to celebrate with my friend Tico, Tico, tock. We're just a birdie and a birdie who goes nowhere. He knows of every lover's lane and how to go there. For in affairs of the heart, my Tico's terribly smart. He tells me gently, sentimentally at the start. Oh, I hear my little Tico, Tico calling to me. The time is hot, the shades are not falling. I love that not so cuckoo, cuckoo in the clock. Tico, 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 tock. Tico, 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 tock. Tico, tock.
Thank you.
Mother, 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 I met a man today. Mother, 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 he's perfect in every way. With a natural sophistication and a 4-year college education. Mother, I know you'll love him so, 'cause he's a sentimental gentleman from Georgia, Georgia. Gentle to the ladies all the time. So gentle to the ladies. And when it comes to loving, he's a real professor. A PhD, yes sir. Just a Mason, Dixon, Valentine. Valentine, Valentine. Oh, see those Georgia peaches hanging around him now. 'Cause what this fella teaches, nobody else knows how. That sentimental gentleman from Georgia, Georgia. Gentle to the ladies all the time. Mother, mother, advise me what to do.
As your mother, I feel it is my moral obligation to forestall every likely situation in which you, my daughter, will eventually be broken-hearted because of a friendship which never should have started. So take the advice of your mother, my dear child. Forget about this man, this so-called Mason, Dixon, Valentine. Go find yourself someone more gentlemanly and less sentimental to the ladies all the time.
Oh, thank you, mother dear. I'm so grateful to you. But I forgot to mention, I just got married to that sentimental gentleman from Georgia.
on a mission, headed everywhere. And if it takes a little long and it feels a little wrong, who cares? A baby fits the description. He does it easily. And little Gable summer stare when he dances, I can hardly breathe. Someone call a doctor, need some help to rescue me. When I'm sick and I'm thinking I must be lost, and he keeps on finding me. That man is like a pain, and cool Thank you very much for watching and for sticking around as well. Thank you. I think it's hotter in here than we performed on the beach this morning. I'm definitely hotter in here. I don't know how that works.
Hopefully we're still getting tans.
Thank you very much for watching. We are the Siren Sisters. Please check us out. There are some cards floating around, and my dad with the CDs as well.
In the pink top. Pink.
Yeah, in the pink top. Thank you very. Oh, there he is. Thank you very much. This last song we have for you is a medley of all of our favourite songs from the 1940s. Thank you.
With anyone else but me.